Imagine trusting someone so completely that you would lock yourself inside a tiny room for months. That is exactly what the female Indian Hornbill does. Once she lays her eggs, she seals herself inside a hollow tree using mud, fruit pulp, and even her own droppings. Only a narrow opening is left, just wide enough for the male to pass food through. From that moment, the responsibility falls entirely on him. Watch closely. His beak is packed with berries. Instead of dropping them all at once, he regurgitates each fruit from his throat back into his beak and carefully feeds the female, one berry at a time. He repeats this journey over and over, every single day. Not just for his mate, but soon for the hungry chicks growing safely inside the nest. If he fails to find enough food, the entire family is at risk. This remarkable partnership has helped hornbills survive for millions of years, making them one of India's most extraordinary birds. Sometimes the greatest acts of love aren't loud. They're carried quietly, one berry at a time.